Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I just want to show you guys how to add Harmony 1 to your Metamask. This is definitely the easiest way to do it. What you're going to do is you're going to head to chainlist.org. You can see here in my browser, just press enter. Then I turn it to night mode, and that's the little feature up here on the right. You can turn it off or on. And then just press connect wallet and make sure you have Metamask installed. So I connect to my wallet here, and now you can see it's connected. So from there, you just go to this little tab up here and you can type in Harmony. And you guys, just a note before we jump into this again, make sure you're going to chainlist.org. Don't go to a different website because there are some phishing websites out there that could steal your Ethereum or whatever else is on your MetaMask. So just be really careful when going ahead and typing in the chainlist.org website up here on the top. Then you want to go to, let's just go to Harmony mainnet shard and add to MetaMask. Very easy. Hit approve and switch network. Now, if you go to MetaMask, you should see Harmony 1 shard 1, and you can see your Harmony 1 tokens, and you can also see your Jewel tokens and all your DeFi Kingdom stuff in here. And that's it for the video today. Really hope that helped you guys out. Make sure to hit that notifications bell below if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys all in the next video.